Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Mudrex and CoinDCX. Both Mudrex and CoinDCX are cryptocurrency exchanges, but they cater to different audiences and trading needs. Mudrex is a new cryptocurrency exchange that offers spot and derivatives trading with a focus on low fees, security, and a user-friendly experience. It provides traders with high-speed transactions, leveraged trading options, and a seamless interface. However, a major con is its lack of regulatory recognition and lower liquidity compared to established exchanges, which may pose risk for traders. CoinDCX is India's largest cryptocurrency exchange, offering spot trading, futures, stacking, and lending with a strong focus on security and regulatory compliance. With a user-friendly interface and advanced trading features, CoinDCX caters to both beginners and experienced traders. However, a major con is its limited availability outside India, making it less suitable for global traders. In my opinion, CoinDCX is better for Indian users due to regulatory compliance and strong liquidity, while Mudrex may appeal to global traders seeking lower fees. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.